Good morning. Welcome back to the shop. Today we've got this Yamaha trombone that's had its share of love in its life. What we're looking at, the tenon, the receiver tenon is broken off at the slide. This is stuck in here. This is not the first time that this has happened on this instrument. Let's grab out the slide. Sheared this off. Sheared the inner slide off with that tenon. We're gonna make some changes to this. Come join along. Here you can see how the dynamic of this is going to work. The inner slide with the chrome plating removed is going to come up to the top of the tenon. This is the cross brace piece, and this is our cork barrel. Our cork barrel is going to stay independent. However, I want to make these two pieces one solid unit. Will prove a little bit difficult. The biggest thing, we have to make sure that we get all of the soft solder out of the inside before we silver solder the joint. Preparation is everything. So here's our piece as it's dressed, and just barely see where the seam used to be. The way it looks inside, everything lined up. And when we put this through, there you go. That will be this will all be one solid unit now, and the cork barrel will be soldered down here. So now we're going to square up and get the cork barrel on. We started this morning and that light was coming in so bright, and to finish tonight when it's all dark outside. But I think the job turned out great. We made these two pieces into one, remounted the slide itself, installed a whole new slide fit to the horn. It got chemical flushed, slide work got straightened, felt really good, and it's going to be great going back into the field. You'll notice that I didn't put any lubricants on my slide. I like for them to go out dry. I feel that it gives a true reflection of how straight everything is. Okay, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.